Hi everybody, welcome back. It is one of my most favorite times of the month. It is time to unbox Sephora Play. If you are unfamiliar, Sephora Play is a monthly subscription service. It's $10 per month. You're going to receive 5 beauty sample items, deluxe size sample items. These are going to be from brands that you can purchase at Sephora stores. They also always include a bonus item. Sometimes it's a perfume sample, sometimes it's a foil pack. Let's hope it's a foil pack this month because if you're not new to my channel, you know how I kind of feel about perfume. If you are new to my channel, I am a perfume snob. So I really don't enjoy getting perfume samples. But it's okay because people around me enjoy me getting perfume samples. But without any other further ado, let's unbox it. I feel like I'm always in a black v-neck. It's not the same black v-neck, I promise you guys. I think last time it was one of my support shirts. Today it's Harley Davidson. I have a lot of black v-neck t-shirts for some reason. So when you open your box, it's going to be like this. First thing you're going to pull out on the top is the playbook. This is going to give you a detailed description of all of the items that you received in the box this month. Also, it's going to give you your theme for the month, which this month it's Destination Beauty. It's also going to give cute little tips and tricks or sometimes your horoscopes or whatever. Also, there are cute little puns that they include that I feel I must read to you. I'm under contractual obligation to read you the adorable puns that they give us. I am sad to say this month that after I looked over this, there are no cute puns. Part of my enjoyment of getting my Sephora Play box each month was the cute little puns. Now I'm very sad. But that's okay because we'll still go over each item that we got this month. And I'll give you the information without the cute little pun. So first thing we got up here, this is a Tarte. Oh, it's the Found Sealer Foundation. It's a multitasking foundation, broad spectrum sunscreen of SPF 20. And they sent me the shade Medium Tan Honey, which I'm pretty sure is my shade. We're going to give it just a teeny tiny pump to see. Yes. Definitely is. I think it's definitely, yeah, it's kind of like my shade about right now. Maybe just a little bit on the oranger side, but that's okay because it's summertime and I'm tan. Anyway, let's see what it says about this. Tarte Babassu Found Sealer Skincare Foundation SPF 20 in shade 36H. The only thing that needs to work hard when you're on PTO is your foundation. That's why this multitasking formula is a first-class favorite. Next up, it's a Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Liner in Intense Black. I actually do enjoy this product. I've used this product before, so I am not mad to get another one. Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in Intense Black. There's a fine line between a wing and a cat eye. That's why this marker-like tip is a stroke of genius. So, okay, they did away with the puns, which is kind of okay because at least in the descriptions they made it a little bit cute. So bring the puns back, Sephora. Next up here we have the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask in Vanilla. It's a tiny size, which is funny. I do use the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. It sits right at my bedside. I have the original kind of strawberry berry or mixed berry flavor. Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask in Vanilla. When holidaying, use any excuse to sleep in a little longer. For instance, my overnight lip mask needs more time to moisturize. Wake me up in an hour. Next up here, this is from Biossance. This is the Squalene Tea Tree Detox Mask. Purifies, calms, and softens skin. Biossance Squalene and Tea Tree Detox Mask. Whether your trip is packed with excursions or is a luxurious itinerary free, there's always time for a calming, softening face mask that draws out impurities. Next up here, we have it's from First Aid Beauty, one of my absolute favorite skincares, and this is the Ultra Repair Barriere Cream. This is to strengthen, balance, and hydrate, and safe, of course, for sensitive skin. First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Barriere Cream. Just like a suitcase helps keep the good things in and the bad things out, this cream helps keep moisture in and pollution, irritants, and allergens out. And the last thing we got here is from Hum Nutrition. Okay, I said foil pack. This isn't what I meant. Bonus, Hum Nutrition Hair Sweet Hair. One daily vitamin for you, one for your hair. This gummy promotes healthy strands, plus it's really tasty. And so that's everything this month that was in Sephora Play. I'm actually, up until we got to the gummy vitamins, so totally pleased. I'm really excited to give the Found Sealer a try. I have been wanting to try this. It's supposed to be super full coverage because it can be a foundation and a concealer. They sent it in my shade, so apparently my tweaking, woohoo, I went good. The Stila Stay All Day liner. Like I said, I've used this before in the past. It is a really good liner. It is super black. It's kind of a felt tip, but it's like a flexible but not too flexible felt tip. So this one I kind of really enjoy. The Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Yes, I love this. If anything, I might keep it at my desk for like throughout the day, like at home. I have like lip balms everywhere. Got a purse lip balm, I've got a scrub pocket lip balm, I've got my bedside lip balm. I don't have one out in my living room. I think this is where this is going because used just ever so lightly, it's a fantastic lip balm. The Biosense, a squalene and tea tree mask. I'm really excited to try that. I do love a tea tree mask. It is very detoxifying and soothing at the same time. This does contain squalene, so in the summertime I can still get a little dry just from being out in the sun. It can kind of parch my skin and dehydrate me a little bit. So having that little bit of extra moisture in there, we'll have to see how this goes. Can't go wrong with some First Aid Beauty cream of any kind. And the gummy bears. Hey, somebody might want a gummy bear. I'll, maybe put them in a candy dish or something. Who knows? No, I wouldn't do that. I'm not going to use them, obviously, but I'll pass them on to somebody who might want to give them a try. Once again, I, of course, want to thank you, as always, for spending a little bit of your time with me today. I truly, truly do appreciate it. Today is the day. It is the last day for my birthday giveaway. Hey, I just rhymed. Make sure you open up that description box down below. Check out that link. Go head over. Get entered in on my birthday giveaway. That ends tonight, June 27th at 11:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time. And as always, before you leave, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out on any videos that I have coming up. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.